Your destiny lies with me, Skywalker. You have controlled your fear. Now, release your anger. Only your hatred can destroy me.
Not a talker, flick out the thing like Luke Skywalker.